what's up, beardsmen and greasers alike? Welcome to another episode of Beards and Stuff. And I just want to say Happy New Year to all of you. And even though this video was recorded way back December 2019, yeah, this video is a year late, if that makes sense. So anyway, I hope you all spent your what I mean is I hope you had well spent holidays. Holidays can be rough, traffic, and I don't know, crowded places, people, whatever. And I just want to say I hope you all enjoyed spending your holidays wherever you were, wherever you are, or things like that. And I have another awesome product for you guys, and for those who love taking care of their skin, especially their face, using facial products. I think this video is for you. And how I came about this product is I won this from a giveaway raffle. So the mechanic was whoever guesses the exact name of the product or the type of product wins, giveaway. But for a certain amount of time, like a few hours maybe. And it took me a few tries, but yeah, here I am. I got the product. Guess I'm pretty good at guessing. So why don't I just introduce to you Gaffer Manila's Bentonite scrub mask. So what I actually commented on the post, on the giveaway post, was Bentonite exfoliating scrub mask. I am not sure, but maybe something like that. So you'll get this product in a slightly transparent amber glass jar. See that? You can see the product right there. Yeah, it's somehow transparent. See? Oh, some air pockets or anything like that. Oh no, it's not amber, it's green. If you can make out of that color, see that? And you get this nice matte stick-on label, and I love the color scheme. Tan and like some forest green, or it's green. So you'll have the description here. Exfoliates, softens and unclogs skin pores, reduces the appearance of scars, heals acne and regenerates skin tissues, and it's ready to use. Compared to your drugstore bought Bentonite scrub mask, you need a few things before you can use it. Some apple cider vinegar or water, and you're going to mix them all together, and then you can use them. But with this, like once it's written in there, it's ready to use. So all you got to do is open them up and take a dime-sized scoop, and then yeah, you're good to go. So this green, slightly transparent, no, it is transparent, it has a green hue, so there you go. It is a 120 gram jar, or 4.2 ounces. And yeah, well, compared to your drugstore bought Bentonite scrub masks or clay masks, something like that, this one costs around 300, just shy of 320 pesos, which is, I think, is actually very cheap, yeah. Your drugstore bought Bentonite scrub mask or clay mask are around 500 or 600, 700 pesos, something like that, and it's not ready to use, well, compared to this. But then those are bigger tubs, but the convenience, or well, we'll find out in a second. And this one has a very few ingredients, which I think is nice. Well, first on the list, it's Bentonite clay and high pro mellows, and high pro mellows is used in eye drops if you're using eye drops. So high pro mellows basic or main function is to moisten, soothe and lubricate the surface of the eyes. So I think it's the same thing with the face, yeah. Then we got glycerin and other essential oil, and it's best used with Gaffer facial wash. Well, how do we actually use this product? Well, you have the instructions right here. It's as simple as needed. And first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna wash your face with water. Then you scoop a dime-sized amount. Then massage onto damp skin, like after you scoop, just place them right where you want them. Then just rub it slightly, gently, something like that. You're gonna feel the coarse texture. Yeah, the product is pretty coarse because of the bits of clays and the, you know, the bentonite clay. Yep, it's pretty coarse. And then that's for face scrub. And then after you've done that, rinse it off. Then finish off with Gaffer Manila's facial wash. So just as how you would normally use a facial wash, it's the same thing with this, and I'm almost done with it. See? And one more thing, how do we actually use this product as a face mask if you're into that? Well, me myself, yeah, I haven't tried it, only face scrub, but you know, to each their own. Maybe I'll try it once this video is over, then I'll just update you all about it. And to use this product as a face mask, same thing goes as the way you use this as face scrub. Number one, wash your face with water, then apply a spoonful of clay onto face, scrub and spread evenly. Then you're gonna allow it to dry or leave the mask for 20 minutes. Yeah, and rinse it off with water and finish it off. Yep. you know the drill. Rinse with Gaffer Manila facial wash. And as instructed, use this product 2 to 3 times a week. And let me just say, both these products go hand in hand. Yep. If you haven't got it yet, or you're planning or something like that, I'll just leave the link of their social media accounts and their official website in the description box down below. Then you can check them out. And since I got this product, I don't use it as much as I'm supposed to, like as instructed, 2 to 3 times a week. I only use it once or twice a week or so, I think, or yeah, but maybe that'll change after this video. So anyway, as you can see, yep, like I've said, not really much difference, you know. It's still full, not to the brim, but there's still plenty. And before I go along further, I forgot to mention the scent or the smell on these rather is quite earthy. Yep, like it's very natural. There's not a lot going on, or you know, it does, but it doesn't hurt your nose or things like that. It's not too strong, which I like. And what else? And with the price, 320 pesos, I think it's pretty affordable. You can't go wrong with it, you know. It's ready to use. You don't need to do much mixing and all that kind of stuff compared to your drugstore bought bentonite clay mask, mud mask. Yeah. And that's based on my personal opinion. This is not a sponsored video. Like I've said earlier in the beginning of this video, I won this in a raffle giveaway, so don't take my word for it, right? You need to take this or everything I'm saying with a grain of salt. So that's just based on my experience, alright? And one more thing I'd like to add, since Gaffer Manila is mostly focused on the beard care products and beard growth products, most especially minoxidil and things like that. I think this bentonite scrub mask, it's a pretty great product, especially when you use minoxidil. They your skin, your face tend to dry out or dry up, you know. You see some flaking and things like that, so you need this, you know, scrub mask to scrub off those dead skin and make way for new skin to grow and you know, unplug those pores for your beard to reach their full potential, and for the, you know, product minoxidil to do its job properly and efficiently, so you get those growth or results or gains faster. So one more thing I'd like to add is it's very convenient. You can take this anywhere you go and it's not gonna spill or anything like that. It's double let's say double padded. Like you get this flat tin cap, yeah, twist cap, and you get another layer of seal, this plastic cover. Yep, so that's pretty awesome. So one more thing I'd like to add is the product is very mild, so if you're concerned about side effects or things like that, I didn't experience any stinging or like something hurts, you know, because it's a face scrub. When you rub it on your face or on your skin, they leave some micro scratches or things like that. Yep. So according to others who've been using your drugstore bought bentonite scrub or clay mask, well, with the addition of the apple cider vinegar, it tends to hurt a bit. So, or the stinging sensation, or I'm not really sure. I haven't tried it, so take that into consideration. So in my experience, I didn't feel any of that, so I think that's pretty good. So any bad experience from the product, I don't know. I haven't encountered anything yet, so that's pretty much all I can say. So to make the long story short, I probably recommend you try this product and see for yourself. So that's probably it for my review of Gaffer Manila's Bentonite Scrub Mask, and I'll see you on the next video, alright? So before I leave you guys, make sure to leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and probably turn on that post notification for the freshest updates every time I get to upload. So before I leave you guys, make sure you leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet, and make sure to turn on that post notification to get the freshest and the newest updates every time I get to upload a new video. Yep, you got it? Yeah, I'll see you, alright? So there you go everyone, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next episode. And once again, you're watching the most awesome, amazing, fantastic YouTube channel to date! And Happy New Year! I'm Luigi and you're watching Birds and Stuff. And once again, you're watching the most awesome, amazing, fantastic,